Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to upload video to Instagram on mobile. Uploading videos to Instagram on your phone is super easy and packed with benefits. First, it's quick and convenient. You can shoot, edit or post a video all from your phone. No fancy equipment required. Secondly, Instagram built-in tools make your videos stand out. You can add filters, captions, music and even stickers to grab attention and boost engagement. Third, it's helped you to connect instantly, whether it's a quick story, a reel, or a longer IGTV post. Uploading video lets you share updates, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes moment with your audience in real time. So, how to do it? First of all you have to do is open Instagram app on your phone. Click on the plus icon on the bottom middle of your screen. You will see this interface where you'll be able to select videos from your phone's gallery. You can also swipe up to see more videos from your gallery. Then you have to select the desired video that you want to upload on Instagram. Once you have chosen your video, all you have to do is click on the next button on the top right corner. As you can see, Instagram is telling me video posts are now shared as reels. Click on OK. Now from here you can do multiple things with your video. For example, you can add music by clicking on the music icon. Or you can also add text to your videos by clicking on the A button. You can write any text you want on your videos. If you're not happy with the text, you can also delete your text by dragging and dropping your text box to the bottom of your screen. Plus, you can also add filters to your video to make them look good by swiping them left or right. Choose the filter that you like the most. Once you're done, you have to click on the next button on the bottom right corner. And on the final step, all you have to do is click on the share button, which is the blue button on the bottom right side of your screen. Click on share and you have successfully uploaded video on Instagram with the help of your phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.